This small white house on Jeju's southern coast made an entire nation cry, and right now, you can walk through that door and order a latte inside it. This is Cafe Seoyeon's house, the real filming location of Architecture 101, the movie that defined first love for Korea. Most travelers assume Jeju cafes are just pretty ocean views, but 4 cafes on this island are something far rarer. Here are all 4, and the coastal route that connects them in a single day. We start near Jungmun, on a cliff above the sea, at a cafe literally named Witch's Hill. This spot is known as a filming location of The Witch, the 2018 superhuman action thriller that launched one of Korea's most successful film franchises and introduced the world to actress Kim Da-mi. On screen, the story is cold and violent, but stand here today and the contrast is almost comical. Hallasan rises on your left, Sanbangsan floats on your right, cats doze on the black stone walls, and on weekends, the smell of a brunch buffet drifts across the terrace. Therefore, this has become one of Seogwipo's favorite sunset spots, a supervillain's landscape serving pancakes. But the crown jewel sits further east, in the Tangerine village of Wimi. Architecture 101 became the highest-grossing Korean melodrama of its era and turned first love into a national obsession. The seaside house the young architect builds for Seoyeon was only a set destined for demolition. Therefore, the production company did something unheard of. They rebuilt it as a permanent cafe, designed by Goseong, the film's actual architecture consultant, with interiors by its art director. Original props and stills line the walls, the full glass wall still slides open to the sea, and the grass rooftop from the film's most famous scene is right above you, for viewing only. And here's the 2025 twist. When Life Gives You Tangerines, the Aewol and Park Bo-gum Netflix phenomenon, has fans tracing Jeju's southern coast, and many pilgrimage routes now list this very cafe as a stop. 2 generations of Korean romance, 1 cup of coffee. Keep driving east and you reach Seongsan, the stage for our blues, the star-packed omnibus drama with Byung-hun, Shin Min-a, and Kim Woo-bin that broke cable ratings records and streamed worldwide. Your coffee stop is Cafe Aewol in Sinsan-ri, right on the Olle Trail Route 3 coastline, a modern building of stone walls and bamboo whose entire second floor is glass, with every table turned to face the sea. One last stop, just up the coast in Aewol. Most visitors assume Aewol's famous cafe street was always crowded, but it was a single drama that lit the fuse. Warm and cozy, written by the legendary Hong sisters, was set in a seaside restaurant, and Cafe Bomnal became its face. After it aired across Asia, this stretch of black rock coastline transformed into Jeju's most photographed cafe district. And Bomnal's pastel doors still pull fans from Taiwan, Japan, and beyond, a full decade later. Proof that one K-drama can redraw a map. Run it as one counterclockwise loop. Start at sunrise in Seongsan with Cafe Aewol and the market. Drive the south coast west to Seoyeon's house in Wimi by midday. Continue to Witch's Hill near Jungmun for late afternoon light. Then head north to catch sunset at Bomnal in Aewol. 4 cafes, 4 blockbusters, 1 island where you don't just watch Korean cinema, you sit inside it. Go on a cafe tour in Jeju Island right now.